In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 10. To get started, go ahead and open any web browser that is already installed on your computer. This could be Microsoft Edge or another browser you currently use. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar or address bar at the top of the screen so you can type in what you're looking for. Next, search for Google Chrome. You can simply type Google Chrome and press Enter. This should bring up the search results page. Here, look for the official Google Chrome download page. It's always a good idea to make sure you are selecting the official source so you download the correct and most up-to-date version of the browser. When you're on the correct page, you should see the option to download Chrome. Click the Download Chrome button to begin. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a prompt asking whether you want to save the file or run it. Just follow the prompts you see on your screen. These messages are normal and are there to guide you through the installation process. As the installer opens, Windows may ask for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that appears, approve it so the installation can continue. After that, Chrome will begin installing automatically. This usually only takes a few moments, depending on your internet speed and system performance. Continue following the on-screen instructions until the setup is complete. In some cases, Chrome may open automatically once it has finished installing. If it does, that's a sign everything worked correctly. You may then be given the option to sign in to your account. If you want to sync your bookmarks, browsing history, and settings across devices, you can go ahead and log in by following the prompts on the screen. Take your time during this part and read each message carefully so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. If you prefer, you can also skip signing in for now and do it later from within the browser. And that's it. By opening your browser, searching for Google Chrome, selecting the download option, and following the prompts on your screen, you can install Chrome on a Windows 10 computer without much trouble. Once installed, you'll be ready to browse the web using one of the most popular internet browsers available.